Cooking just got simpler, faster, and more versatile with this Nesco 8-inch electric skillet. Designed for home chefs who value convenience and efficiency, this compact electric skillet is perfect for whipping up meals anywhere, from your kitchen to a camping trip. With its premium non-stick interior, adjustable temperature control, and durable construction, the Nesco electric skillet offers more than just a cooking surface. It provides a portable, reliable cooking experience. Let's dive deep into what makes this skillet a must-have for every culinary enthusiast. Who is this skillet for? The Nesco 8-inch electric skillet is ideal for busy professionals who need quick one-pan meals, students living in dorms with limited kitchen access, travelers who want a portable cooking solution for road trips or vacations, small families or individuals looking for a compact, versatile kitchen tool. Why choose the Nesco 8-inch electric skillet? Here are the standout reasons to add this skillet to your kitchen. Compact and lightweight for portability. Versatile enough for frying, grilling, simmering, and sautéing. Easy to use temperature control for precise cooking. Effortless cleanup with a premium non-stick surface. Durable and safe design for long-term use. Key features of the Nesco 8-inch electric skillet. 1. Compact yet versatile design. Measuring 8 inches by 8 inches with a 1.75-inch depth, this skillet offers a compact size without compromising on cooking versatility. Whether you're frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, grilling chicken, or simmering sauces, this skillet size makes it ideal for smaller households, dorms, or RVs. The die-cast interior ensures even heat distribution, so your meals cook perfectly every time. It's a great tool for preparing everything from quick breakfasts to hearty dinners, especially when space is limited. 2. Premium non-stick cooking surface. Say goodbye to scrubbing stubborn food residues. The Nesco electric skillet features a premium non-stick surface, making cooking and cleaning a breeze. Food releases effortlessly, ensuring healthier meals with less oil and hassle-free cleanup. Whether you're cooking a delicate omelet or a creamy Alfredo dish, the non-stick coating guarantees consistent results every time. 3. Adjustable temperature control for precision cooking. One of the highlights of this electric skillet is its easy-to-read adjustable temperature control. With settings ranging from keep warm to high heat, you can tailor the temperature to suit your recipe. From frying and grilling to slow simmering, this feature provides flexibility for a wide variety of dishes. The precise control helps you avoid overcooking or burning your food, ensuring restaurant-quality results in the comfort of your home. 4. Durable glass lid with safety features. The Nesco skillet comes with a durable dishwasher-safe glass lid, allowing you to monitor your cooking without releasing heat. The large, sturdy handle provides a secure grip, while the built-in safety valve ensures steam escapes safely, reducing pressure buildup. This thoughtful design adds convenience and safety, making it an excellent choice for cooks of all experience levels. 5. Heat-resistant side handles for easy handling. The skillet features large, heat-resistant side handles that remain cool to the touch. These handles make it easy to transport the skillet directly from the kitchen to the dining table. With the Keep Warm setting, you can serve meals right out of the skillet, keeping food hot and fresh for longer. This feature is particularly useful for potlucks, gatherings, or meals on the go. 6. Lightweight and portable. Weighing only 5 pounds, the Nesco electric skillet is incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. Whether you're camping, traveling, or hosting a family dinner, this portable appliance allows you to cook wherever there's an electrical outlet. Benefits of owning the Nesco 8-inch electric skillet. 1. Ideal for small spaces. Living in a small apartment or dorm, this compact skillet fits perfectly in tight spaces and is easy to store when not in use. 2. Saves time and energy. Unlike traditional stovetops, the Nesco skillet heats up quickly and evenly, reducing cooking time and energy consumption. 3. Effortless cleanup. The non-stick surface and dishwasher-safe lid make cleaning up after meals a hassle-free process. 4. Perfect for on-the-go cooking. Whether it's a road trip or a camping adventure, the portability of this skillet ensures you can enjoy home-cooked meals anywhere. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.